Welcome to Metro Garage Doors video guide. Today we'll explore common garage door cable problems and how to fix them. Let's dive in. Garage door cables play a crucial role in supporting the door's weight. Made of durable materials like steel, they work alongside the springs to ensure smooth operation. Look out for visible wear and tear, uneven movement, slack, or snapped cables. Recognizing these signs early can prevent further damage. While DIY repairs may seem tempting, it's safer to trust professionals. Garage door cable repairs require expertise and specialized tools to ensure safety and efficiency. When selecting a repair service, prioritize experienced providers with positive reviews. Ensure they're licensed and insured for peace of mind. Thanks for watching our guide on garage door cable repair. For expert assistance, contact Metro Garage Door at 97239136110. Remember, your safety and convenience matter to us. Subscribe to Metro Garage Door for more maintenance tips and updates. We're here to keep your garage door running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in.